Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, Kachaka Leb Acholi and Alice Okot, and my co-host, my sister. One will be no canteen just Kachaka Kilo Mawatimo. I believe la wo Wachaka Mama Nok. So today, what do again? I feel like Pemira Wabacha, eh? Kawa Mira Chaha Mira Wachaha. Ka spirit no bino. The white thing of clever chuli tibono bino ma waji chuni ne mera wacha Jo Tuwa. And here we are. I believe komberi wacha mera mama nok cha ne mera irwa kanti achero. Angeo ko kamo eken ma utie ye kono digo otieno di cheng wala di wo angeo ko. But one irwa kan komberi tie ka chero mera cha mini no chok. One wapoyo. I believe my sister can introduce herself. Thank you.
Wapoyo, anya ingeo dong, ungeo, jaki ni kang okot. Miru chance mila wacholi ben, miru wapuony ba, kona ingeo, wala wungeo. E and woo is two different things. Vowel, like, pat.
Uh-huh.
What do you mean? Kachangan kilamera like we do every night. What binagi teach, attend to family. Gamo mamiri tim gi odd. Make sure Latina timo assignment mi gang kwan. Wele nga, wele cleaning, wele laundry. Manong cha to ami chaga. Latina gi chere room to gidong minino. Then digi gang kwan. 1 minute what deal. So what tigi extra time mi chaka to check in one then what any ning joto at any ning any current event, gimo team kamo, ayela team kamo, juice man ngamo on your juice kamo, amiru winya about juice muru mo opane. So what Lamera, let's get let's jaga.
Mm.
So we are very happy that we are able to connect team. You have to thank God doing what's gonna happen. Rabangacho in, kiro yo peri. Like in
Mm.
if you're able to connect your family member peri with a friend's peri,
Yeah.
it's a blessing because in ko karim ko ngamo gamanong chimko.
Mm.
Either because look tie or because chat tiki dong obino in and you don't want to take that time making it. Well, cha carry without it connected you too, because you never know when it's the last time you're looking at more. So it's good that one kilometer we talk every day. But remember now, what you know, family, my deed, but they're not on the line.
Mm.
Brothers to us, limero to aunts and uncles to cousins to kono kanye we lobo ma pat wele jar back down to the juba wele kono to read wele pa jok wele lobo ne wele lede wele boyale wele kiradongo wele kampala wele kamo ken family to a deed jomoti in london jomoti australia one more what is state
Mm-hmm.
kanye gin what is state mapapat it's hard me connect it down wang yale kar mo family ma deed iye yo ngamo mingyo ni to look at every day and you can vent you let it out gimomo yel in team kono encounter log mo team yo wele gang kwan wele dokti that ni powerball tinti kono 1 billion look man mira go
Mm.
chimo ka waj bon ngamo ngama ju lo kere ye ngara kere will win billion agna jele so it's good to connect me look more again mati chunyi because you never know kacha peri bino wele relationship mo gimo danya in between relationship peri gi kono sibling peri wele liwori wele kono partner wele relationship mo ko minyom ingeko
Mm-hmm.
so it's good me look lori let it out kagi mo beno time ngami li kere ni at least the last person you situation peri no tini ni kara ero ni ngomo no time iri so it's good to always connect who connect it why you don't have to share personal information to but sometimes I
Mm-hmm.
feel like we can all relate a topic more again. Ah,
Mm-hmm.
kono look me teeth, kono look me kan kwan, kono look me leje, kono look me family. Look me li wood changing cha well. Hmm.
Mm.
Li wood parang mo yung mga ching tini kan kwan why high school. Oh young. Lotwer pay one apart koni. Man don't forget about it. The best friend early pay. I make new friends It's good to always adjust gicha peri kamitie yes situation peri tieni ning level peri tieni ning. Jobi no
Yeah.
mapar pi in motivation ki tamoni man liwora lakin men kuno ti dola mera wala mera ni amiru gima bear ti me bot ngare. En wu grow ka chel gumuno. Lakin kali
Yeah.
wote karawa mu don kiri wa yang chon gitamo pi inko gi check on inko motivation pe kuni tam ni jealousy wala tie wala kono ngongo tie use eat wala tie gossip behind your back. Eri assess he move with it in Hollywood manyen. Lakin gimi ko no manyen ko family peri. The
Yeah.
family walwenya. Everyone knows family madid. Karamo walwenya. We'll get along ko. But at the end of the day, at some point, we'll be talking chill. Because we're my chill. Ki binigi family ma structure na leadership, me family chwa gichungu. Give me what good advice. Chal mom to mom to be what it running off. At the end of the day, we'll want siblings. Can we we'll make sure we stick together no matter what. Yal ka kamo tigi look mom, make sure you share your sibling peri. Well, la meru, meru. Wenga mo win ko peri wala wini look mo tie. Kabo kon in muni pere kin giro banga munungi peri ko inungi ko kaka ikok ni kon ikok ni gimoti atimo in kabo respond men muni pere inung at least ikok job peri bes ko one la mera o mera ati ka going through gimo this and that kon ko just because it need ngamo mi cook shoulder mo mi cook wala mi wajo gimo mati atime maybe get where me get advice
Yeah.
regardless of mo rapper kono la meru matid o meru matid o meru matiri la meru matiri it doesn't matter ngamo no rubanga chwalo gi message ko ringeo ko so koki
Yeah.
message bino gi one of your siblings but kono
Oh, yeah.
woru or kono meru lakin most of all siblings per mu dongo ka chiel u to tem understanding pien u dongo ya ka chiel and teaching a bit of the same. You would assume that at least one of your siblings, mio advice mama be bori kiti kara mo mi tamani gimati a deal in kirene angeo ko ex Bollywood baby. But Paul, you should expect ka ngamo raise when you my back parents to raise when my be the family. You can expect no la meru mo nyo meru mo mi tuara lokere. Mami advice. I think Robaga blessed one because mom to a obero dakama tek onywala nyira ngwen na woba ngwen yala obero dakama very smart mom to a tio ma tek yala obero ka ponyo one ponyo lo ponyo ki ching ba make sure you get it lo ding lo ting but you get it at the end of the day because you know look for Rubanga what you church every Sunday that too I've been to make sure what you church every Sunday. We have to trust God. Along with God, mire kon ko rubanga. Motivation per mire biritie ni ana mire lawa kwa bene. Ile ko rubanga rubanga ati atimo ABCD amire lawa kwa wala mire timo gemo ati expect gemo. Ile gemo rubanga mire timo gemo. Pikuna ni nanga ibere gi kanga kok. Lakini kara mko ka gemo bino mapodi bene bichira lek itwera lek mere. Igo chimbol ngamo iloki ngamo bara. Tam any TV itamani who know about it. Maybe con me iri clarity. Itamani how can I move forward? So need this thing of bino ira. Tamo bino but I did go through situation money. Ngama look at it every day, Lord your money when I look at siblings swara, mostly the boys. And I don't get wobe. I need any when get down, yeah, gang. Well, I don't get wobe. I used to go chimbora wobe again to get advice. But now don't mati don't mean Latini, I'm closer to Limero a boy, I talk to her every day. I want a boy, I tell go through Gimo. I tell time I Gimo like this, Gimo team. Eat time on it. A boy me a good advice. And it tell lead one topic, it want me to look about tonight. Look money con spirituality. Belief very better than Tam peri well faith very bo rubanga. You trust rubanga. Kai tamani Gimo pia with my bay, tamani faith parakati is strong bo rubanga dani. You know, you can pass through storm work again, you can get over gimo can mati a team. You can weather the storm, the storm will pass, so I think Abwoyo is older than me and more wiser. And she gave me some good advice. Abwoyo, what advice can you share? Initiate can I advise my bet. Dano mo matia going through stuff. Jomo my baby tia challenge, believe to get Rubanga. Been tested before. So you lose faith, Ernie. So it can't make tia go through Gimo. He tama me Gimo and now they let it go and no they give up. What kind of advice they told me about Kirajo and Maggie lose faith, honey?
Advice. Mia chiel ma mio bot dano kimunu enoni. Kero, luluan is strength. Mira kongi bedi ki kero more to understand the strength. Ki ngeo ni tamo ni. Say, okay. Ko tie ka chwe. Ko chwe homa di. Ini tie wako ot peri mo pe gi mo pe. Lakini ngeo ngan mo wa yang wa chono waje irini. In kari ko tie ka chwe. Kari tie wako wali tie kan. Kaka peri mo pe completely ka chero. Ana tie bin ira. Watu era guo koti ka chiel. Wakur wanga kori o chero. For that, ka ini tie ki faith ikom Rubanga. Nyo gen, actually gi waja ni gen. Gen ikom Rubanga. Gimo e ken ma tie ka time. Ikomi Rubanga tie ki in, Rubanga chung ki in. Lakin ini neno ko. You will not see at all ne Rubanga tie ki in. Doesn't mean ni kakotie chwe Rubanga pay Rubanga pay Rubanga taking. Okay, I put it this way. Ka Rubanga wajani lubi kora anatie in. I better la coin pay forever. I bene ko Rubanga waja en wa yang wachon in the Bible. Lakin chunwa dange. Chunwa dange ni we call it faith. Kena faith pero chako checking. Faith pero chako yenge. Gimo can tie will attract anything will come. Gimo can twero bino. Kachuni tie yenge tamane Rubanga pe. Ineno God uchumalo. Ineno pitia bino. Ineno a lot of things. Nyo dana chako kwero. Chuni dana chako head in. Dana chako timo. Gama duong ma ini iwi keni tamane. Bongi tim gimo. Lakin dano gatia time kwape. Nye ero ni bene. Sometimes Rubanga timo. Were ingeni enitie. Does that make sense? Were ingeni enitie. Rubanga puero tingo in yengo in bolo in ingom where in tema in anyhow. Were ingi komi cheriki chongi gumpenye Rubanga. Ange initie konya. So Rubanga mera nyuru kome. Kero pere. Ene tiro woru. Tiro meru. Tiro give more ken ma ini mera in life. Rubanga tie kuja. Right? And then kai gumu pengi chungi Rubanga now. Istom erke saranda chinge. Rubanga walk miracle. Rubanga mera nyuru kome. But kono setan. Well, team job, lo team ngoi, come o dana makwero chuni for no reason. Lo mera ini pori honi, Rubanga nyuru come. Iri in different way. O Rubanga bino. Iri lele, wala nyuru iri gimo, ma ini tuero neno ne, nyo chuni ko tamo. Nia, gimoni beko. Ati ya feel gimoni, it's not right. Kilomaju ibero kere. Munong spirit pero trouble. The spirit pero mo yenge o. As something is wrong. Gimoti atime somewhere in beningeko. So, eroni tuero time. Inong ke panic. Inong ichako wo iwi Rubanga. O ichako ko atata. Inge ko ni Rubanga tie wala Rubanga pe. Inong itro gimo ken wako kuja. Lakin Rubanga mero yengo in. Mero check. Mero check in, mero check your faith. Itie matek. Latini kweli remember an. Latini kweli tieni ni. So kama banga temo eroni iri, there's a way to read spirit. Maybe you read equano you're feeling. I don't know. Kona awanya mabe Leb Acholi wala ngeko, but forgive me. A spirit peri kao chako yenge nyolo moni tibo nyo tam moni ko bini wani a gimono waji ira gimo ni pa cheri yo eni gimono waji ira gimo pa dog yo eni munu gimo ko rubanga matia loki in. It's direction. Ina mamero it pick up that spirit. Communication erroni in mamere pick it up. Ki neno tibo pero wara ki look money ni matia time wini. Well and good. Go with it. Eroni rubanga twero konye in and trust me, you lead ichero kama be. Ichero kama be open ma be kit mano chunyo pick or chunyo bao. O mia iri yo ario ini ikwanyi yo chani chero ye chunyo bao ni ichero yo ma be ka chunyo ye pedi komi gi mo ma ngeo ni beko ka chunyi moni tamani chero ki man ini idio komimi contact me chero nire moni ni yeah that one is bad that one ngeo eron that's one is given in everybody's spirit kidney read it lakin faith gain Loluoni gain ikom Leb Acholi. I believe that. Loluoni gain ikom Rubanga tie. And Rubanga kwa, Rubanga look in anyhow. Ma en ngeo. So, ka an tin. Awaja ni okay. Pero pori koma. Ot para wanga. Ape ki chiene. Gimo ken pe atia bero wo. Ako bonga. Nga matina ringo ye. Ako ringo bola mera. Aringo boro mera. Aringo kamo ken what? Community. Aringo igi. Lakin ringo chani me ringo kujani. Gi konye gi chwingi wen.
Exactly.
Gi waje iriga wen mamere i team. No. Jomo kene gi nera ot perimo wangi. Igi miyo do yom chwing. Gi chako pie ki yom chwing. Inero ngat ino ot pero wango gi pero mo pe. So that one, it will rely on community, what or whatever. Man, no. Yes, you can do it. Eronitie. Lakin Rubanga. Ki ringa iporo tini okay. Anong yo para mo pe completely. Inge ken mangeo konyan. Rubanga look in. Rubanga will direct you to anywhere you wanted to go. Trust me, Rubanga will guide in nyonyuru iri yo, as you say. Yo ma ini twera lobu yo erni. I o kame mera cherayene. O Rubanga nyuru iri yo. Kon neno obstacle moko tie inget yo. Ineno. Ichera kanene wani lele. Munu lele ko Rubanga loko. On your iri gamo. Ino up to you. Ka ini trust Rubanga matiro woru ni. You go with it. No mo nyuri iri lele. Nyongome tami wi kujani. Ini chero kere Rubanga konye. So and faith para yang ono is not that madiko manok. Rubanga wane kari take faith matedi like a mustard seed. Manok. That's good enough for him. Mune nak borubanga. Ano ngange ni mere have madid. Ka Rubanga win in Rubanga or guide in, but I find out ni karaman one what tie kaneno gimoma part. We're not looking at what God is showing us. Rubanga mera chunyi ken. That's it to guide you. So faith is very important and understanding is very important. Like it's spiritual wise. You have to be in a spirit to understand God. You cannot understand God. Manongoni Rubanga mani wongi tuolo keman. No. Rubanga iwinyo mano ini pace i flesh I remo keman maiti do dano. Ka ini winyo Rubanga. Banga winyo. Muno prophet ma yang Rubanga yera wachon. I know I believe Rubanga bino igi face to face. But one morning, what were called the power parubanga ni one what were called. So Rubanga bina irwa ilele bina irwa vision. So ka in Rubanga bina iri face to face you are blessed. So kineno lele mo leo in pay attention. Ineno no why you open your third eyes or spiritual ear. Kai when you look eroni wang. Karubanga lokeri, you understand what God is saying. Like in Komberi, one more kenani. Me too, I miss sometimes. Karubanga lokian, ilele, or vision. Sometimes I win your coma back. But la chien atangani oh muno rubanga matia lokian. So it's good to pay attention in lo mano faith wise.
So what do you say to Joe Madong? If for some reason one day or before they lost faith, they used to believe in God, maybe, or they were raised in a church, Chalwane. Gimo time, event mo time life too, such as Kona min yataha, one yataha, Kona get tini kij, your sibling to yataha. Even the manner in which Jone guitar been okay extra, loss of faith. Kido June ma kono gitama ni dong yo dong pe yo gitwa trust Rubanga ko because God they feel like dong that's it. God when God bale it gidong. It's like their dooms, like judgment to dong bino ha. Kono gimo madiro team of bala kono teach wala bala gang kwat wala family member chelo dog wala genwen dog wala dong latin teach wala kono I grow up latin teach bening family ko wala ngo nyo joma to your bale you lose faith. How do you regain such a faith? One lose mom toa, you're kind of young. One lose brother toa. Yala what binogi moon, especially in ma ironya imoy, ma Joseph Kony tero in for 5 years. To a point where like we blame God. Kida one in what blame God or pingo Kony tero in. To a point where one Martin and even will lose faith. There's no way. I mean, what could call only mom to have faith better tech. This lady, I don't know if anybody has as much faith as mom to. Ilikin maringa get it from country to country. Ka you one way mamu and your por one scatter. Ngaman chiragi yo per ngaman gi yo per because bambo por one one wing wata. Like in mom too, I can't believe lotini per when ko ringa Kenya, ringa Uganda, ringa South Sudan. Ring Sudan, ring Kanye, ring yo, one till you looking wing one by one. Have in mind down to get 8 kids. Ring get 10 from country to country, faith better butter. Like in one more in my dear younger ne, for some reason, I lose faith. Come your guy event more mono team, kono moon, trauma more team. He lose kono teach, he lose come kwan, merota something, or worota. Nyungaman will go in at or something like that. Or something deep. How do you come back from Gimogamunu? How do you regain faith, Erone? Faith. Me need to move on. How did you trust God enough that if you know one in gang? Or Jomatia go through something similar, child one. Lotini mo come chan and no coke. Even youth. Gimoti kwa to nyogin lotini kich. Mogo kono South Sudan, mogo Uganda, mogo jaro kanye. Giti amal kanye, okay, lakini kanye the refugees, giti amal. You lose faith. Mogo lo tia deport, gin mogo iti isigen, mogo ngong. Lo tia youth to get a struggle. Even it don't matter. So what you getting on? How did you regain faith, baby? How would they regain faith to
regain faith, surrender. There's only
surrender?
one thing. Surrender.
Mm.
Surrender ke moi ken icheng rubang. Like pebene itam 1 minute. Okay. Any atemonini. Don't even think that. Pay time eroni kuli we just surrender icheng rubang.
Yeah.
One kumi weng bore. Jere kama lead in ye go. Isaranda kumi lead in ichero. Pebene yel kumi in any point my time we ni okay. Antin kona temo and adok yo kan mamo pe gang mo pe machero ye o me go paro wengo to kono ngongo gyo time this a 9 yard ga time ma duong bilobo kanye sometimes rubanga take a test dano rubanga test one in many ways se rubanga twero kwanyo meru o meru la meru woru o entire family for that. Lo bora ina chela can in it.
Yeah.
But rubanga tia temo in. Faith perine rokani. Pori geno en. Ichu ire. Pori kok ire. Walichira ko kamoma pat. Lakin en tiro woru. En neoga wen mi komi. Rubanga temo gimo ken by all means. It family karo very family Pierre B, right? Onwalo Dano family Pierre B. Rubanga baka chiela ken kikin Aaron. Only one. Era chiel Aaron Rubanga kasi tan ko matia temle Rubanga matia ka torture ngat Aaron to just mineno chunye to gain the faith. Mineno ngat Aaron podi geno and Aaron keken Rubanga will focus on it. Ha ini surrender gawen iching Rubanga. Ni okay Rubanga. Angeni rong an weng in gipara mo pe. Ape ki million mo, ape ki gold mo, ape ki silver mo. And an weng in. Yo para pe. Achara cham ko, achara tweet ko, achara nim ko, achara net ko. Amogi diere. Gipara mo pe. Kabonge kon an non kira weng in. So, kawane surrender. I surrender gawen bo Rubanga. Rubanga yenyo yo. Kid ma eno no mera timo ga equal peri. Rubanga kelo. Ini tamani yo pero gi. Rubanga yabu yo chane. O chego dogo la money o yabu yo chane. Ini donya ki ekuje. Ma podi bungi nge ino kid ma equal pero lo kere. Ka koni maybe equal mo. E tamani a kakimuni ni. Okay. Rubanga karatie. But surrender. That's the only thing. It is surrender go Rubanga. Mio chuni when kiga when you have in you. So let God intervene. Let God take over. Let God lead you. We're going to in a new. Dano mi ruenya ni bon ring ni okay or ruenyo da hanwa. No, there's a purpose. Maroba kwanya dano ke kwa perio o bwaro in. Ah, yeah. I'll really go. As easy. Yeah, and ero kid ma tie kere.
Okay.
Just surrender to God.
Okay. Thank you for sharing
Ichunwe.
about. That was very
Yeah.
meaningful. Una
Mm-hmm.
Julie, kamoy ken mutie kere. Kuti are going through anything, who take advice any? Huh? Who trust Rabanga? Nyoy kar mo kami tam ning una spirit mati a guide in. Have a little faith. Surrender yourself. Rabanga will lead you. He give up. One but one gave up. Mom too, I didn't give up. Become a boy, come one. Dad too, I didn't give up either. Kilo one
Yeah.
kanya, Obino, Obi Kilo one. So don't lose faith. Rabanga is going to guide you. Keep moving is what I can say.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Yeah.
so if you guys feel like you want to talk about different types of belief systems, then what you more gonna give believe it about? I can't imagine it. I feel
Mm-hmm.
like most Africans believe in God, but if they don't believe in
Mm-hmm.
God, who are you want who believe in God? Huh? Some people met a Muslim, but Rubanga ain't a chill. One way believe about Rubanga. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
So I
Yep.
believe system tie with how many part maybe one will believe Rubanga to the one creator. Will come and when Lakin, if you at least can believe in a high spiritual being, no Allah, hmm? God, the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm? Just
Yeah.
trust Rubanga because eventually will lead you somewhere. Destiny Peritie. You may think it's going the wrong way.
Yep.
No, Destiny Peritie, you're Destiny Peritie instead. So that's all I can say
Mm-hmm.
for now. Thank you for joining us. Aboy miro tiroge gemo. Ogeno yela miro chiranino.
Okay, no, calm down.
Auntie?
Gimo maduong, gimo maduong pe matwero merene,
Mm,
but for tonight, this
mm,
is it. I feel like God will lead one Kanye for just this one.
yeah.
Kagimo no tie, ma we could go
Mm,
on. Me, for
mm,
example, I'm Robamo Savan. So I
yeah.
believe God 100%. Yeah.
Mm,
So I've been saved. Ki kamo machol mo no yang bera ngeo ko ni no I will come out. And then
mm,
down face to face. If we are no I want okay I know lato. I'm not
mm,
a person ma twero neno ma
mm,
siblings,
mm,
family para twero neno.
mm,
So Key said that kind of mindset. Oh no, that's what I said. But Rubanga Okwanya and out. That
mm,
one I give praise to God every day.
yeah.
So Rubanga tie. Ira
Mm,
awanya ne Rubanga tie. Ngan mo I can cut whatever what you going through. Kari gina did okay.
mm,
Please. Duwagi chunyi ping. Logi.
mm,
Loga tie laken. Waje bo Rubanga. In me you wani nyuala ni kirani bilo kanye. Gaba tia
mm,
time ni pek ira twera ti peko. Anything
mm,
ira konyan. That's
mm,
it.
mm,
And keken. I feel like more payment do my waje bad.
mm.
Apwoyo to. Eh,
Thank
one
you.
boy.
Thank you guys for watching. We will maybe have a guest tomorrow or Saturday. Stay tuned. We'll share a Zoom link or the recording on Facebook. Try to join us.
Yeah.
Even if nana no no. Okay. We
Mm-hmm.
appreciate you. If you're going through anything, stay strong. Okay. Have a good
Yeah.
night, guys. All right. Bye bye.
Good night. Good morning. Good evening.